Hey guys, Fazman here. In this video I am going to show you how to set fake GPS location on your iPhone. GPS is one of the greatest technology. It values a lot when it comes to navigation, traveling and more. However, things changed when some new and popular geolocation based dating apps and games come up and you want to explore in other region, or no matter you want to hide your actual location for privacy or security purposes, or if you wish to fake your live location on WhatsApp or Facebook. Download ULT Phone iOS Location Changer. With this you can easily mock your location anywhere in the world. It can let you unlock several location based features of gaming, dating and several other apps. One more thing, if you want to upgrade your iPhone to iOS 15, you can check the ultimate update guide to avoid data loss. As you know, iOS 15 is packed with a bunch of new features. You can use ULT Phone iOS System Repair to update your device to iOS 15 without any data loss. So the link is available in the video description, so must check it out. Install and launch the ULT Phone iOS Location Changer app on your PC. The default interface is the GPS change. At the left side, we have 4 tabs: Change Location, Single Spot Movement, Multi-Spot Movement and Joystick Movement. With the Change Location tab, you can change the GPS location on device. Tick the disclaimer and click Enter button to continue. Connect your iOS device to computer with an Apple cable. Now you will find your current geolocation in the map window, and here you can see current location and destination location tab. You can type the location and click the search icon to match the address you want to. Choose the location. It will load on the interface. The system now understands your desired place is London and you can locate yourself on your iPhone. And now the location is fixed to London, and the location in your location based app is of course the same place. You can also simulate a route without leaving home between 2 points with ULT Phone iOS Location Changer. Switch to the Single Spot Movement section on the main interface. The start point is your real location. You can tap on the map to choose a destination location. Also, you can enter the destination address in the search bar to position the location. After confirming the start address and target address, you can drag the speed bar to adjust the move speed. You can simulate walking, cycling or driving speed. Also, you can set up the number of move times. All is done and click Start to Move to start moving along the 2 points with the custom speed. During the process, you can pause and continue anytime. This will make the movement looks more natural. With multi-spot movement, you can customize a route and let the GPS location move along multiple points. You can click on the map to select different locations, and those spots will make a route in the order you choose. You can then set up the speed as well as the number of round trips. Click the Start to Move to simulate the GPS movement. After that, your location will be moving along the route you specified in a wanted speed. At the last, we have joystick movement. You can use the virtual joystick to control the GPS movement. You can control the GPS movement more flexibly. This app sets up virtual GPS location, so every other location based app on your iPhone believes you are actually there. So the link is available in the video description, so must check it out. So that's it for this video. Give this video a like and comment down below if you have any question. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.